Welcome to our channel. In this video, we're diving into the world of healthy eating with our top picks for the top 8 best low-carb and low-sugar foods. Maintaining a low-carb and low-sugar diet is essential for those looking to improve their health, manage weight, or even regulate blood sugar levels. We've carefully curated this list of 8 fantastic foods that not only taste great, but also align with your dietary goals. From delicious, nutrient-packed vegetables to protein-rich options that will keep you feeling full and satisfied, we've got it all covered. Whether you're on a keto diet, diabetic, or just striving for a healthier lifestyle, these foods are sure to become staples in your kitchen. Number 8. Seafood. Small, dried fish and bivalves from the sea are among the most nutrient-dense meals in the world. Bivalves are similar to oysters and mussels. For comparison, Hong Kong, the world's longest living country, also consumes the most meat. The average person consumes 1.3 pounds of meat per day and 2.04 pounds of animal products in total per day if eggs and dairy are included. Japan, which ranks second in terms of life expectancy, consumes 1 pound of animal products each day on average. Furthermore, contrary to common thought, most of the lauded blue zones consumes a lot of meat. I've gone to Okinawa and Hong Kong twice, and neither place has any vegetarian centenarians. Number 7. Dairy. Most lactose-intolerant people can tolerate raw dairy in the form of raw milk and raw cheese, such as Parmigiano Reggiano. Low-temperature pasteurized milk and simple organic Greek yogurt are also excellent dairy choices. The Maasai, an African pastoralist tribe, are tall, muscular, and have excellent teeth. What's fascinating about their traditional diet is that it consists almost entirely of raw milk, meat, and blood. The very definition of a carnivorous diet, they get 2/3 of their calories from fat and ingest 600 to 2,000 mg of cholesterol every day. To put that figure into context, the American Heart Association recommends consuming less than 300 mg of cholesterol each day. Despite eating a high-fat, high-cholesterol diet, the Maasai have a low prevalence of ailments associated with such diets. They have low blood pressure, low total cholesterol levels, low incidences of cholesterol gallstones, and low rates of coronary artery disease such as atherosclerosis. Number 6. Leafy greens. Because of their nutrient density to calorie ratio, leafy greens rank highly in that nutrient density analysis. They're also high in fiber, which can help flatten your glucose curve, especially if eaten first during a meal. Lettuce, parsley, and arugula are all leafy vegetables that provide free calories. If you have digestive issues, limit your intake of leafy greens because oxalates are abundant in spinach, Swiss chard, and kale. They should be avoided. This is the substance that produces kidney stones. Cooking leafy greens reduces their oxalate content. However, if you're going to eat leafy greens, you should buy organic because they're heavily sprayed with pesticides, which are proven obesogens. Obesogens cause obesity. The next 3 foods are technically not low carb and low sugar, but bear with me. Number 5. Blueberries. Blueberries deserve an honorable mention because they are one of the best fruits you can eat, pound for pound. They lower inflammation, suppress sugar cravings, and are high in antioxidants, which help keep your cells healthy. Other berries to consider include blackberries, raspberries, and strawberries. Berries include a small amount of carb and sugar, but they carry a powerful nutritional punch. Fructose in a food matrix, such as fruit, is not the same as high fructose corn syrup in a can of Coke. Berries have been consumed since their dawn of time. A combination of berries and plain organic Greek yogurt can produce a lovely, guilt-free treat that significantly improves diet adherence. If you ask me, that's a good trade-off for the low sugar content. Number 4. Dark chocolate. Dark chocolate contains a high concentration of antioxidants, fiber, and minerals. It's actually one of the finest antioxidant sources on the globe. Dark chocolate has greater antioxidant activity, polyphenols, and flavones than any other fruit studied, including blueberries and acai berries. According to this study, it has a good amount of soluble fiber, which helps you feel fuller for longer. Iron, magnesium, copper, manganese, potassium, phosphorus, zinc, and selenium are also abundant. When switching from milk content to dark chocolate, there is undoubtedly an adjustment period. When stopping for dark chocolate, aim for at least 80 to 85% cacao. Number 3. Bone broth. Traditional dishes from every culture, whether they be beef, chicken, fish, or lamb, always include some form of bone broth as an essential component. Bone broth also serves as the cornerstone of any cuisine that is considered to be of high quality. Similar to beef, bone broth is an excellent source of essential minerals in a form that is easily absorbed by the body. These minerals include calcium, phosphorus, magnesium, vitamin A, vitamin K2, iron, zinc, selenium, and manganese. Additionally, natural collagen can be found in large amounts in good quality bone broth. Collagen is the protein that makes up the greatest proportion of the human body's total supply. It constitutes around 30% of the total protein. Your skin, muscles, bones, tendons, ligaments, and other connective tissues all include collagen, which is the primary structural component of these connective tissues. In addition to this, it can be discovered in the blood vessels, organs, and intestinal lining of the body. The problem is that the majority of people have insufficient levels of collagen. Number 2. Eggs. Eggs include vitamins and nutrients that are difficult to locate, such as lutein and choline, which are vital for eye and brain health. And if you still believe that cholesterol is dangerous for you and have been avoiding beef, eggs, and the top layer of fat in bone broth, in reality, cholesterol is required for all cellular functions in the human body. The majority of your brain is made up of cholesterol. One egg delivers 6 grams of high-quality protein and nearly every nutrient required by the human body to flourish. Retinol, the bioavailable form of vitamin A, is also found in eggs. A vitamin is essential for vision and immunity, as well as B vitamins B1, B2, B3, B6, and B12, vitamin D, vitamin E, vitamins K1 and K2, and omega-3 fatty acids. It's essentially nature's answer to a multivitamin. The yolk contains the majority of the nutrients I listed. Number 1. Beef. When it comes to your health, your number one goal should be to eat good quality protein in order to grow and retain muscle. Your metabolic currency is muscle. It is the primary regulator of your metabolism. The more muscle you have, the more calories you can consume. Animal protein is the finest quality protein since it provides all essential amino acids for muscle growth in their most accessible form. People adopting a carnivorous diet are correcting type 2 diabetes, shedding a lot of weight, and even reversing autoimmune illnesses. That is all animal products, especially beef. It's essentially a low-carb diet. However, not all animal proteins are equal. Ruminants, such as cows and lambs, have 4 chambers in their stomachs, making them the best quality animal protein you can eat. Pork and chicken, on the other hand, are monogastric animals like ourselves. Cows have the miraculous ability to transform grass, which humans cannot consume, into delectable steak full of critical vitamins, minerals, and high-quality protein in its most bioavailable form. In conclusion, incorporating these 8 healthy foods into your diet can assist you in meeting your weight loss and health objectives. They are low in carbs and sweets while being high in critical nutrients, vitamins, and minerals that your body requires to function properly. Join us as we explore the benefits, nutritional value, and tasty ways to incorporate these low-carb and low-sugar foods into your daily routine. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more healthy eating tips, and let us know your favorite low-carb and low-sugar foods in the comments below.